beginning class, it's intense. Like, it sounds like, oh, you're just taking a beginner's course, but it's intense in that you learn a lot of different techniques, and she gives you a lot of time to practice them as well. And that's kind of the base on which we're building in this class.
I would definitely recommend this course no matter what your level is at. There's some girls that didn't even know how to curl hair before they came in here, and now they're doing these intricate bridal updos, and it's so amazing how you see everybody evolve in just 5 days. It's insane.
Able to move and see every kind of direction and see what she's doing. And that's a lot more helpful as opposed to being in the back of a class and watching it on a screen. It's just so much fun. I love it. I would tell everyone to take it.